Mitsubishi Consumer Electronics America, committed to the manufacture of high-quality products in the United States of America. Situated on a 77-acre site, the Mitsubishi Braselton facility has a combined operational space under roof of approximately 7 acres, with room for expansion to meet market demands. 2 modern office and factory buildings house separate state-of-the-art operations for the manufacture of Mitsubishi cellular mobile telephones and 31 and 35-inch direct-view color televisions. The 35-inch direct-view color television picture tube was introduced to the world by Mitsubishi Electric Corporation Japan, 1985. Because of the instant popularity of large-screen viewing, it quickly became a staple of operations at Mitsubishi Braselton.
Our facility is the largest volume producer of 35-inch color televisions for domestic consumption in the United States. At present, 350 employees produce 9 35-inch models and 8 31-inch models, with an annual capacity of 5 million units. The assembly process begins as the cathode ray tubes are unpacked and raised onto a conveyor. At the point the CRT is docked into the cabinet and dressed, the unit becomes a functioning television set. Sets are powered up, and using industry standard test signals, visual parameters are roughly pre-aligned. Following pre-alignment, all sets undergo a 2-hour aging process. Components are allowed to warm up to operating temperature in order to achieve stabilization of circuitry and detect early component failures. Signals used to adjust and align each unit are generated from the temperature-controlled gold room, referring to what we at Mitsubishi Braselton call the gold standard, which is the industry and broadcast standard for adjusting picture quality. When aging is complete, the sets pass through the alignment tunnel, where each unit's convergence and color are fine-tuned and adjusted. The parameters tested and adjusted are white balance, a computer-assisted process which balances the red, green, and blue components of the color picture. Overscan, where the picture completely fills the screen so that details are not cut off on the edges, and geometric linearity, which assures that both horizontal and vertical lines are straight. To check for loose circuitry, all units are subjected to severe shock with a hammer. As sets pass through the decreased noise atmosphere of the audio booth, their overall audio quality is tested, as are mono, stereo, and second audio program features, and all internal and external functions. Each morning and afternoon, representative sets are pulled from each of the 3 production lines. These sets are placed on display for competitive review, and employees make their own critical quality evaluation. The initiative and dedication of the line workers is evidenced in the personal pride they have in the quality of the sets they produce. Quality control is implemented throughout every step of the production process. Sets not meeting standards are processed through the repair technician for online correction. A quality control auditor moves up and down each line, and at any time may select sets from ongoing daily production for individual performance and cosmetic evaluation. Several sets are selected at random from both the morning and afternoon production lines for a complete quality control audit. No set from a production run is allowed to be shipped until the corresponding audit set passes inspection. Should any problems be detected, the entire run is sent back to the line. 1,100 to 1,200 sets are produced and shipped every day of operation, reusing original source boxes. No finished product inventory is kept on premises, since all merchandise has been pre-sold to select consumer electronic retailers throughout the United States. Each day's finished products are shipped to one of 5 distribution centers in Georgia, Illinois, Texas, California, or New Jersey.
As an ongoing process, quality measures continue even after units leave the plant. 50 sets from every run are retained for accelerated life testing. These sets are put through the paces for over 10,000 hours, the equivalent of 12.5 days of continuous use. They are subjected to temperatures of 104 degrees and to voltages higher than normal to see how they'll hold up in extreme conditions.
The distinctive and compact mobile, transportable, and portable telephones in Mitsubishi's sleekly styled cellular product line reflect a commitment to quality, design, innovation, and rugged, reliable construction.
The convenience and portability of cellular phone technology has found rapid acceptance as a necessity among a growing number of professionals in America's mobile society. To meet the demand of this rapidly expanding field of cellular communications, Mitsubishi Braselton in 1989 completed a second building devoted exclusively to cellular operation.
Our manufacture of cellular telephones merges state-of-the-art robotic automation with the meticulous, hands-on attention to detail by highly skilled employees. Auto placement starts with blank printed circuit boards. Using surface mount technology, a screen printer applies solder paste in the exact locations where components will be placed. Individual components of circuitry are installed with speed and precision. Approximately 90% of component placement is robotic, as components are selected from feeders, rotated, centered, and set in place. The same process is followed for all components that are not heat sensitive. A video camera assists targeting the exact point of origin for component placement, allowing the positioning of the smallest components in the most constricted space with pinpoint accuracy. 3,000 to 4,000 circuit boards can be processed through this automated soldering system every day of operations. Every hour, quality control inspectors take random samples from each line for in-process inspection. The quality and integrity of the solder connections are examined by a 3D X-ray system. A fixed, low-light level camera views a laminographic video image. This video signal is digitized and analyzed automatically by software that provides a computer-generated analysis which identifies needed repairs for each board. The analysis accompanies each board as repairs are made and forwarded to manual assembly. Employees manually place and solder heat-sensitive components which could not withstand the automatic soldering process. The electrical alignment of each board is tested and adjusted. Since quality must be built into each individual unit, every employee is responsible to check the quality of their personal work. At the point the phone casings and circuit boards are assembled, the units become functioning cellular telephones. To be sure each unit functions properly, audio levels and keypad operation are tested by robotic automated test equipment. Before packaging, each unit must pass exacting computerized and visual testing. We have our own cell size system set up between production and quality control. To make sure a telephone will transmit a call, our cell site will receive and process a call back to the test phone that was called. This way, we're sure every phone will both transmit and receive a call. By the time units reach the final pack area, every unit has passed 400 separate tests, which correlates into cellular telephones that meet or exceed EIA requirements. If one major statistical or cosmetic nonconformance is indicated, the entire lot is retested and reinspected. Mitsubishi Braselton has the capacity to produce 400,000 units a year and currently produces 10% of all cellular phones marketed in the United States. Completed units are shipped to one of 3 distribution warehouses in Georgia, Illinois, and California. Quality control continues even after units leave the plant. Mitsubishi maintains an in-house service department to repair units sent in by consumers for repair or adjustment. In this way, technicians are able to analyze failure rates and feedback data to manufacturing and engineering as part of the ongoing product improvement process. With room for continued growth, Mitsubishi Braselton has become one of the largest employers in Northeast Georgia, known for its involvement within the local community. The color television and cellular phone facilities currently have a workforce of 700 employees. Over the years, Mitsubishi Braselton has developed and instituted several important policies that have created a unique and harmonious working environment that attracts the best and most dedicated employee. A 4-day work week, excellent benefits, comprehensive training, career advancement of local workers, innovative work procedures, and worker management communication.
No employee works at just one job. Through a rotation schedule and job assignments, which includes cross-training classes, employees become familiar with all parts of operation, qualified to participate in the manufacture of either cellular telephones or color televisions. This significantly reduces the dangers and repetitive motion, adds interest and variety to the employee's work experience, and provides a qualified roster of line workers for both areas of operations.
Openness is practiced at all levels among management and line-level workers. Each morning, all supervisors meet with their staffs in groups to discuss the previous day's work. To facilitate communication with senior management, each month, 15 to 20 line workers are selected at random to meet with senior management to discuss any problems or issues that are on their minds, or initiate suggestions for improved performance.
Guided by this quality and harmony work ethic, everyone in the company is responsible for safety, quality, and efficiency, which translates into superior products produced by a committed and loyal workforce.
Throughout the world, Mitsubishi has a reputation for leading-edge engineering. But it is the concern for quality and cost efficiency here at Mitsubishi Braselton that makes it possible to deliver the performance, quality, and honest value that has propelled Mitsubishi Consumer Electronics America to the forefront of the industry as a premier supplier of the finest color televisions and cellular mobile telephones produced in America.